Matagal na namin siya kakilala. In fact, sa sobrang tagal, I already consider him a personal friend, no? We first met him way back in 2016, and then in the, series of protests since then, yung mga pinaglalaban namin mga prinsipyo at values, nakakasama namin siya. Kanya kami nagkakilala.
Si VP Sara lang po ba ang inirereklamo po natin o meron pa po bang mga ibang personalities?
TSM on its own has actually filed other cases against other officials, no? Kasi naniniwala po kami, meron po tayong democratic institutions. So habang marami pong different ways of registering protest, merong Facebook, merong mass action, merong street protest, creative actions, etc. And another one is legal action. And naniniwala ang TSM na nandun ang mga democratic institutions para may avenue of citizens to express their grievances. In fact, noong November 14, 2025, we filed a complaint sa COMELEC naman about the illegal donation that Senator Chis Escudero received for the 2022 elections.
And
before that, there were other cases that we filed. For example, yung kay Kalida, that was way back in 2018, regarding yung security agency niya, who was pretty much able to monopolize mga government contracts.
And this time po, meron pa po bang ibang mga bagong personalities na inireklamo po natin?
Wala pa as of now, but it is in our radar because ang aming goal na is for good governance, and part of good governance is yung holding our officials accountable. So, yun po tinitingnan ng grupo namin, kung sinong mga opisyales ang kailangan ma-hold accountable para matigil na natin yung culture of impunity dito sa Pilipinas. Yan po ay pinag-aaralan namin.
Okay.